Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change a wrong street name on Google Maps. If you've noticed an incorrect street name in your area, you can actually help fix it by submitting feedback directly to Google. This not only helps you navigate better, but also assists everyone else who relies on accurate mapping information. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you to the main Google Maps interface where you can search for locations, view maps, and access various features. Once you're on the page, you'll need to locate the street that has the incorrect name. You can do this by either searching for the area or simply navigating the map manually until you find the street in question. Now, click directly on the street that you want to change the street name for. This action will select the street and bring up additional information about it. You might see details like the street's current name and nearby landmarks. This step is important because it tells Google exactly which street you're referring to when you submit your correction. Next, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you'll find an option that says Send Product Feedback. Click on this option to open up the feedback tools. This feature is specifically designed for users to report issues or suggest improvements to Google Maps, making it a community-driven platform for accuracy. Once the feedback menu opens, you'll see several options for different types of corrections you can make. From these options, click on Add or Fix a Road. This selection tells Google that your feedback is specifically about road information, which includes street names, road types, and connectivity issues. After selecting this option, you'll need to click on the street you want to change the street name for again. This confirms which specific road segment you're correcting. Google Maps might highlight the street or allow you to draw on the map to specify the exact location you're referring to. Now you'll see different editing options appear. Click on Road Name to indicate that you're correcting the street's name specifically. This narrows down the type of correction you're making, ensuring your feedback gets processed correctly. A text field will appear where you can input the correct street name. Type in the accurate street name carefully, making sure there are no spelling errors or typos. Accuracy here is crucial because your submission will be reviewed and potentially used to update the map for all users. Once you've entered the correct name, click Done to confirm your input. Finally, to complete the process, click Submit. This sends your correction to Google's mapping team for review. They'll verify the information you've provided, and if it's accurate, they'll update the street name on Google Maps. And that's it. You've successfully submitted a correction for a wrong street name on Google Maps. Your contribution helps improve map accuracy for everyone in your community. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.